Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Dr. Al.
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, doctor.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, please reply because I don't know whether your side can hear me or not. Okay. Okay. I sent a last minute email to all the team leaders to ask your team to prepare PowerPoint slide to prepare for your project presentation 1. So have you done that?
Yes, doctor.
Can I have the
Yes,
first
yes.
team to show? Yeah, good. Okay, can I have the first team to show your PowerPoint slide? After seeing all, then I'll tell you what are the weaknesses or how you should improve your PowerPoint slide design. Is that okay?
Okay.
Can
Yeah,
I have
it's okay.
team one first?
Yeah.
Just ask the person,
Okay.
just run through the slide. You don't have to tell me what is it. Just slide one by one. You got 4 slides, right?
All right.
Team by team. Team one first, just demo just run through slowly, run through your slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. I'll take down what are the weaknesses. After seeing all the 6 teams, that I give you my comments, then you know how to improve. Okay.
Okay.
So this is team 1.
Can you see my?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see the slide?
Slideshow. Run in the slideshow.
Wait a second. Then can you see it, right?
Not yet. Loading.
So this is our main page. Our first slide.
Yeah.
Which is the survey to analyze the attitude of university student in course assessment, which is TC test.
Okay.
And this is our project objective statement.
Okay.
Do I need to read everything?
No.
Or you just want to go through?
Just go through. It just show me. Give me a minute. Then I see how is you write the thing. Okay. Okay. You can go to next slide now.
All right.
Okay. So this one is project team.
Yeah. This is one the project team.
Okay. Next one.
This is our major deliverables.
No. It's still showing the project team.
Oh. Change.
Okay. Major deliverables. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
This is the next one. The continuous of the major deliverables.
Okay. Okay. Still continue, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So
this is the project priority matrix.
Okay. Okay. Any more?
This is the explanation for the graph, the table.
Okay. Okay. That's all, is it?
That's all.
Okay. Thank you. So can I have a look at the team 2's slide design?
Wait. Did I stop presenting?
Yeah, the team 1 you stop your PowerPoint presentation and then just close that one and then so that team 2 can take over.
All right.
Hello, Dr. O. I'm from team 2.
Yeah, cannot see your slide yet. Okay.
Okay, this is our slide.
Okay.
This is the contents. This is POS.
Okay.
This is our project team.
Okay.
And major deliverables.
Okay.
And the last one is project priority matrix.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, next team.
This this is our cover.
You mean the first page is showing your team members?
Just no, just five of us who gonna to be present.
Then in the can you go back? I cannot see your slide now.
Oh, okay. And now can see the slide.
Yes. You didn't display your title, right? You just display the name and the metric number. Your first page you don't have the project title. You see what I mean?
Got WIS 2002 project management.
No, that one is the course code and the course title. I'm saying your project title.
Oh, no.
You see, your first page should be showing your project title. That one is missing. You see the other team, they also have they show the project title. Do you notice that? Okay.
Okay.
So the first page you should have your project title included.
Okay, doctor.
After I'll tell other teams other witnesses. Okay. Next your second slide.
This is our POS.
Okay.
This project team introduce our team member. After that is role and responsibility.
Okay.
And this one is 1.3 project phase. After that, we just discuss a major deliverables.
Okay.
And now it's 1.4.
Okay. Okay, that's all right. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can I have team 4 now?
Okay, doctor.
Yeah.
Can you see the slide?
Not yet. Okay, now.
Okay, this is our cover. Then this is the introduction. Our POS. Okay.
Yeah, again, your first page, go back first page. You didn't put your project title. The first page.
First page.
Yeah, you missing the
survey.
Yeah, missing the project title.
C-test survey, how about?
Oh, I see. Okay. I didn't notice. You both face that one.
Okay.
Is it not both face? Okay.
It's not. Later I'll change. Okay, so project team. List of role where we're gonna explain about the responsibility as well. The major deliverable. This is the basis. And then the metrics.
Okay. Can you just go back the first slide, the post one?
Post.
Post. Okay. Okay. Fine. Just go down the second one.
Second one.
This one is table. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Third one is just the name of the rows only. Yeah.
No, we're gonna explain it instead of putting everything in it.
Is it the next one got the name assigned to this row here?
The previous table.
It's already there. Okay.
Yeah.
Then the next one, 1.3. What's the difference? Only list down all the rows only.
We list the row and then we're gonna explain it. What's the responsibility for each rows?
Okay. Okay. Next one. Just go down. Okay. This one is a flow.
the flow, and then we're gonna explain the major deliverable instead of putting everything in the slide.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a simple diagram. And then we can explain it as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Can I have the next one?
Can you hear me, doctor?
Yes.
I'm TG2 T5.
Okay. Good. Okay. Start.
Can you see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the power.
Mm.
This is the table of content.
Yeah.
This is the project objective statement.
Mm.
So we go to project team.
Yeah.
This is the project team.
Yeah.
This is the project team of, yeah.
Okay.
Here we go to major deliverables.
Okay.
This is the selection target, respondent,
Mm.
compare and select.
Mm.
Design survey question, conduct.
Mm.
Data collection, analyze.
Mm-hmm.
Writing.
Yeah.
We go to project priority matrix definition.
Mm.
So the project priority matrix.
Mm.
So that's all.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Next one. Last team. Last team. Who is going to show me the slide? TG2T6. Where are you? Who is the leader of TG2T6? Not here? Any team members from TG2T6? Nobody? No one from TG2T6?
Yes, doctor, I'm from TG2T6.
Who is going to show the slide now?
I contacting my leader.
Okay. Okay, while waiting for the TG2T6, I just a few things I like to say for you to take note. First thing is when you send out this distribution of your survey form, I don't know how you're going to do it because some of you, I saw the files that you sent to me, some of you put there, you send through asking your friends and so on. So that is a good way. You send through your friends, then from your friends, usually you can get good cooperation and response from all your friends. You just ask your friend to help you and then to distribute and get more respondents for you. But don't go and send into, there's a info for students and so on. You don't send to that one, because that one is there's an administrator controlling that info emails that sent out, because somebody will look through your content. They will just throw away this email because student cannot say I want to conduct survey and then send those things. But those that people come out with the send out email invite you to participate, those are they got the approval from the administrator of the mail. So you don't do that because this one is your course assignment. It's not for the whole campus to invite all the lecturer, it's just the student and not involve other people, so it's within your group only, you need to collect some data. So you don't go and send out through the info student list, you understand? So you go through your friends, right? That's the first thing. Second thing is I don't know anyone noticed that I uploaded the SPSS file. So if you go to the lecture notes, you look under, besides the post there's a file. I remember I uploaded, I think last week, the SPSS file. You can download the installation and then you test it whether it can run in your laptop or PC, right? So, and then you can start learning SPSS. If you do not know SPSS, later when you analyze data, you're going to use SPSS. So in this case, if you do not know SPSS and you have to learn SPSS, because so far I have checked some of the your PBS, your process breakdown structure, I didn't include. I also didn't tell you to include because I'm not sure. Some people say you do not know SPSS. So if you no need to include, another box say you learn SPSS, because that will take up a part of the process that you have to go through before you can analyze the data that you collected, because you do not know how to use SPSS. So that is a process, one of the process you need to put into your PBS. So if all of you do not know, then in your PBS diagram, you should include learn SPSS as one of the boxes inside your PBS diagram. So where to put? So where should you put this box here, learn SPSS? So you judge, is it during data collection time I learn at the same time, or I just do it when I'm just because I just given you. So I think you should put it at this time. You can do it. Remember, you learn the network diagram. You do it in parallel. So you collect the data conducting the survey. At the same time, you also learn SPSS. So you have the concurrent this node here, activity. You understand? So you can put underneath one of the PBS, one of the breakdown. So you can judge yourself which one is the suitable one to put. Okay. Is a TG2 T6 here?
Yes, madam. Sorry, just now I go to toilet.
Okay. Can you present now?
Yeah.
Just show me the slide only. I just want to have a look at your design.
Okay, I show already. Madam, see.
Yeah. Okay.
This is my template. I agree.
Go. This is your first slide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the second slide I will start with a title like that. Right. About the project objective statement.
Okay.
Then here are my objective. My objective is used to conduct a CTS surveys that will deliver the result by 8 January 2021, and it's cost like 10,000 like that.
You don't have to present. You just show me the slide.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Maybe you do a slide show, then it's larger.
Slideshow where? Because I need to.
If you cannot, then you just scroll down.
I show again. Cause just now I share the windows only.
Yeah. Okay.
Madam, my slide done already.
Okay. So now you got. Can you just go back? Just now I was looking at something. Okay.
Okay. Then just now do here, right? Project team.
Project team. Just a question. What is high committee?
High committee is like project leaders, secretaries, something like that.
Okay. Next one. Next slide.
It's like
Okay. Next one. Okay, next. 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 Okay Okay, next. Any more?
No more. This is the last time. Is state the reasons about the project priority metric.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay. I have looked through all your 6 teams slides design. So I would like to teach you how to improve, right? So far, I can give good comments to this TG2, T4. TG2, T5 got some part good, some part not so good. That's why if you look at each other's team's slides design, I'm sure you can tell some of your slides, certain parts good, certain part not so good, right? That's why you learn from each other. You look at others' team's slide first, then you learn the best, and then you present the best. So now I'm going to teach you which one is the good design. Can I have a TG2, T4? You show the slide again. I base your one to explain how to improve.
All right. Okay.
Other teams also got some good features. Okay. So this one, the TG2, T4 will be more outstanding.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you, Doctor.
Yeah. Okay. So your first one, you both face the CTS survey the project title. Okay.
Okay.
So next you introduce. Here are all your team members, right?
Oh yeah.
Don't move first. Okay. You say this page. Okay. This is good. So when you have the first presentation, maybe the team leader will not be presenting, right? Not all team will have the team leader going to present in the first presentation. Maybe team leader is going to present in the second presentation. So even you are first or second, the first person to present, to come out to say something should be the team leader. So when the team leader should come out and introduce all the team members first. You understand? Even though just now got one team say that, oh, I only show the team members' name for those who is going, those 4, 5 are going to present in the first project presentation one only. Other team members' names are not there. No. You put all the team members' name, all the names, and then team leaders introduce all the team members first. You understand? Okay. So just say my team got how many team members? These are the list of team members. At least you introduce how many and who are they. The names should be there. Okay. Introduction by the team leader first. Right. So next, can you go on? Next slide. Okay. Now, my second comment. So I think other teams you can start doing the correction or can jot down if you have no time to do the correction, as I say when I give you the comments. So you don't put this chapter 1 introduction. You remove the chapter 1. Just put introduction. You understand? Or just now there's a teams say the word contents. That is good. So you can put today's PowerPoint presentation 1. What are the contents for this presentation 1? So instead of put chapter 1 introduction, you put content. You remove the intro, because this one is sub of this introduction. So you put content first. That means the content of the project objective statement, then project theme, and then major deliverables and project priority. This is for chapter 1 content. You understand what I'm saying? So this one, I'm not sure whether you're going to assign one of your member, one person to present this. So this will be the contents of presentation by the first presenter. Then later you got chapter 2 content, chapter 3's content, right? You understand? So you put the content, and then what are the sub? Remove all the 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, so on. Okay, another thing is in order for me to give the marks to the right person who will be the presenter, because I send you the table. Remember that you write down the sequence of the team members' name who is going to present first, second, and third, and so on, right? So in case you make a change last minute, so my advice to you is, so that I don't give marks to the wrong person, because it's individual marks, then I would suggest this slide at the corner there, you write down the presenter's name and the metric number. So in case you swap or change any team members, I say second and third one interchange, then I still can see this one who is presenting. So even though you already changed the name and you forgot maybe to update me. You understand what I'm saying now? So at the end, can you just show that? Just type, let's say this one is your name you're going to present. You write at the down there, at the corner somewhere, left side or right hand side, the corner, the student name, the presenter name, yes, plus the metric number. So I'm sure you'll be presenting one or a few slides. Okay, so you just write the name, and then I will know, so that if you swap any of the last minute, I still can see from here who is presenting. I'll give the marks correctly and I won't assign to the wrong person. You do okay, you understand now? So you both face that one at the end of somewhere left side, right side also can. So I know who is presenting this slide now. So I'll give marks correctly. Okay, that's one thing. So you remove all the chapter number 1.2, 1.3. So the other teams also do that. Just remove because you're presenting. You don't go and say I present chapter 1, section what. No need. Okay, so you show the content of the first by this presenter consists of what are the subtopics. Okay, and then the presenter name go through for every slide. For every slide you put. Okay, good. So same thing. This one you remove 1.1. Okay, just project objective statements. That's a header. Yeah. Okay. So you see other teams, you can see this team is good in the sense he never put if you look at like the team 1, it's a sentence. You put a complete sentence of your post. But you can see this one is he just used the keywords and then the icons. So carry out test survey. That means he used some kind of document as a survey form to represent this is your what. Okay. So this is good. Second one is the deadline. So when by when you are going to deliver. Okay. And third one, this is how much. So I have one comment here. You can see your side here, your this slide here, a lot of space. Can you see a lot of space, right? So at the side you can see your right hand side here got a lot of space. So you can you can see. So you should make full use of the slide space. You enlarge the diagram, carry out test survey. You make it very big, the diagram all very big. Okay. Then the 8th January 2021 also the text also bigger. Okay, one more comment is you put the icon. This is good, representative, but not so beautiful. You can look for something more beautiful, right? For example, you know the the money. The money, this one looks like more coins, right? Coins.
Yeah.
So because 2,500, I know you use the coins to represent. Maybe you can find some actual money, Malaysia ringgit, okay, to represent this is the money. Understand? So next, your RM, you got a space, 2,500. You should not leave a space. Immediate after the ringgit Malaysia, the unit of this currency, then you should not have a space between the M and the 2. So why you cannot have a space? Because people can add a number there. I can add a 9 there. So it becomes 92,500. You understand?
Understand.
So the amount is always very sensitive. That's why people write check or anything, they don't leave a space after the RM something. You immediately is the amount. Don't leave a space after the M. This one is no good because people can add a number there. Then the number become very huge. You see, because people can make something. Right? So other teams take note. You check your value, is it got space? That's why when you send me the report, I just remove the space if I notice there's a space. I don't know whether you notice that or not. So another one is you put this icon is good, but as I said just now, it's very a bit dull because it's all black color. So if you can change something that is more colorful, then the screen will look nicer and more attractive. Okay now? So other teams, okay, understand your one. So other team, I noticed if you give me a full sentence, you change to this format. So you see, you only need these icons, and then the person should know that this is a project objective statement, and what are the 3 things you need to tell is the what, and then it's the time when you should deliver, and then it's within the amount, how much is the money, the cost. You see or not? So that shows that you understand the topic of post. You don't need to write a full sentence. If you write a full sentence, you will start to read the sentence. You will put these icons and then with very colorful and then the keywords, make full use of the full page. Then because we are now not sitting in the physical classroom, we are online. So probably we can see. But if let's say you are presenting in a classroom, in a hall or something like that, so people who sit at the back, if your icon, you got a lot of space, but then you only very tiny text and very tiny icon, people who are sitting at the back will not be able to see your slide clearly. So that's why this is how to improve a slide presentation that, a good design slide, people who sit from very far, they still can see and define, oh, so nice, so attractive. They will all pay attention to your presentation. Okay, so you try to have your icon more colorful. Now is good, but it's a bit dull to me. It's all black color. Okay, so do you know? No, make it some colorful. No, not just to change to one other color. It's replace the icon with something that colorful. Like you want the coins, you change to you understand? Go Google images. You can search a lot of images from the Google images. You find the most beautiful one and then replace the coin with the most beautiful one with colors. And then same thing with the calendar. You can find something with calendar, Google Images with much more beautiful. I know this is calendar, but something that is more attractive. Same thing with
Yes.
document. Okay, then
Okay.
after you make it, you can see the difference. I can tell you. Okay, understand now? Okay. Okay, so other teams, please, that is your first slide, that how you should design. Okay, second, you go on. Okay. So remove the 1.2 and remove the table 1.1. Yeah, remove that one. Okay, understand? So you see, you make full use of this slide here, but you can also at the same time, you can tell is the font become very small. Am I right?
Yes, that's right.
So what should you do to make it big?
I think split it up into 2 slides.
Yes, that's right. You see, so you see, you split, you got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 11 members, right? So up to you. You want 6, 5 or 5, 6. So you stretch out and then so that the font size become very large. Okay. You can put a project team and then you can put page 1, the next project team, page 2. Then people know it's or continue the next page. You understand now? So you see, you got another slide. Then when the person explain, you can see that very good. And you sit very far. Also, you can see if you're in the physical room. Okay, right. Next one. So this is how you should improve. That's all. Okay, next one. Okay, just now you mentioned list of roles. Then you are going to explain what are the responsibility, right? So again, you can see this one is very dull. Okay, only the keywords, but you can find some icons that represent the roles of project manager and then secretary and so on. You know how to improve now?
Okay. Got it.
Okay, next one. Next, okay, remove the 1.3. Okay, your this flow is very good. And just now I noticed the TG2, T6, I think the illustration from TG2, T6 is good about the major deliverables. So they illustrated with some icons. Later, maybe the TG2, T6 can show us the major deliverables again, right? So you show this flow. Then after that, you go into the detail, the design survey question, then how it looks like. So more detail about that major deliverables. And then that one, we will follow the TG2, T6 format. Okay?
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, okay, next one. Okay, so this one, remove the table, remove 1.4 and table 1.2, that label down there. Okay, so you just show this one and then you just explain what is it. So you see your background is like some kind of a gray color, is it? And then your table also like quite similar color. So you should change this table to other types of color. Then the table will stand up. No. Actually, you don't have to use the template, all those template color that provided. You can color yourself one. You can color.
Okay.
You use your own coloring. Your two heading, cost, performance, time, one color, and then going down, constraint, enhance, another color. Maybe the center box inside you can put off white, and then just a circle black. Then it's sent out very outstanding and very clearly.
All right.
Okay, got it. Okay, yeah. So is that the last one already? So you just need to explain what is the meaning of time is constraint, what is the meaning of performance is enhanced, and then what is the meaning of cost is accept. So that's all. You don't put all the text. Then other team, I noticed some of you put very long sentences about project priority metric. Some of you even give explanation first. What's the meaning of project priority metric? If you want to explain that, you can. Okay, before you show this. You understand? Okay. So the design, the way you design, yes, you should have, let's say your background is bright, then your foreground is something dark. The text should be dark. So like this, you see it stand out. Okay, understand?
Understand.
Yeah, but the color is, the contrast is not very good. It's a bit dull, not very attractive. Not very
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it.
You can feel the person who designed this is a person that it doesn't look like a happy person to me. Okay. Because that kind of color, like to me, I feel that it's not in a good mood or not very happy person. If a person who is very happy, your color is very bright and then it's like very attractive. It can give people the feeling. You understand? Okay. So I mean, I don't know. So that's my opinion. Okay. So any last one will be say thank you note, right? Okay, that's all right. Okay, that's good. You see, so you have to judge. This is fine. This is fine. Okay. So you see, it's very clear. So you have to judge. You see, because this is only chapter 1. Then after you do the same thing for chapter 2 and chapter 3. I know some of you send me the chapter 2. I have not finished checking it because I try to do the chapter 1 and chapter 3 first so that it can proceed to design your network diagram and show me, because chapter 2 probably I'll do it next week because too many. I got other master student to check, I got internship student report. I got too many report to check because chapter 2 is quite long. It's all the text description. Okay. So I just want to teach you the way to design PowerPoint slide. It should be you make full use of all the space. You make your text very huge. If they say that content, like just now your project team, you need more than, you don't squeeze everything into one slide. You can spread it out to 2 or 3 slides. You understand? So you make, in order to make the text very large, font size people can read, sitting very far also can see. So another one is make sure you give the keywords some icons so that it looks attractive. And then those people who are attending to your presentation, they'll be very attracted by your slide. They will pay attention to your presentation. Okay, is that clear now? All of you understand? Any team want to ask question, or you want me to show me your slide and then tell you how to improve your slide? I think this the TG2, T4, yeah, okay already.
All right, thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Can I have TG2, T5 to TG2, T6? TG2, T5, I put a comment say it's good when you show the, I think it's TG2, T5, sorry. It's not TG2, T6, TG2, T5. TG2, T6 got some good feature. Can I have TG2, T5 to show the major deliverables? I'm mistaken, it's TG2, T6. It's TG2, T5.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Just show the major deliverables, that's right. This is good. I want to comment. Go back to some of the slide. I see. Before you start, it's good to have this one to show, to tell people that, okay, next I'm going to present this is all about the topic called major deliverables. Okay. This is good before you show the actual content of each of these in detail. Right. Okay. The next slide. You see. So it's good. You see, you say your major deliverable, like this is the first item. Just now the TG2, T4 show the flow. So the first flow of that box, inside the flow, what are the major deliverables? So selection of target respondents. So you see, you got an icon very big. So this is very good. You see or not? So you illustrate with the icon and then you just the keywords only. Okay. Then of course you can mention that you have identified there how many target respondents you're going to collect. Let's say it's 140 or 150. You see, and then you can continue with mention about which faculty and which department. You see, you can illustrate with that when you present that time. If you're afraid you cannot remember, then you just put the keyword faculty and then what's the name of faculty, and then let's say department and what's the name of department to remind you what to say. Because sometimes you are so nervous, what, and then you forgot the facts that you want to say. Then that's why you put it on the slide there, the keyword faculty and department, to remind you that I want to tell about which are the faculty and which are the departments, the respondents they are from. Okay. So again, I think the only point I want to say is this selection of target respondent, you can move higher a bit. Move it a bit higher, and then because maybe got someone down there, and then the list of target respondent can be larger also. Usually the heading you boldface it. Okay. So this is good. So other team, you can see this team how they design the major deliverable, go into detail, and then you illustrate with with icons. So it becomes like the presenter will have many slides. You see, then the next people feel that the content is a lot. Then you get full marks for your content, which is the highest mark in your presentation. Okay, so you follow this style. This one will be good, the major deliverable. So other teams just look at this style. Next, can I see the TG2, T6 again?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, I want to talk about, just now you mentioned the word high committee.
High committee. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you slideshow. Okay. So let me see slideshow.
Slideshow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so usually it's very strange to use the term high committee. We never use the term high committee. Usually because you are telling me these are the levels that people holding the administrative work. Am I right? It's like managerial type of a job. So in this case, you should just put it's just like in management we use the term top management. Then we have the medium, then the low management level. You see or not? Or middle level, the top level, middle level, or lower level. But I can see your this term not here, not so appropriate. You can put managerial committee. That means mostly are management one. Then the other one are okay. I notice you put technical committee. That's okay. So that kind of terms are acceptable. Yeah. That means it's more focusing on managing the team, managerial. Yes. Okay. The other one, can I have a look? I think it's technical. The following one, they are technical, I think.
Yeah, technical
Yeah.
team.
Can I have a look again? So of course you can do it this way. Your this slide, I have no comment saying that you're not allowed. This is also a good way of presentation. You show the name, you show the role, and then the responsibility of this person. So you are going into that particular person and showing there. Okay. So next, technical team. Yeah, it's okay. This is okay. You have members and then all the same responsibility for each one of them, and the role is technical team. That's okay. Okay. Next one. Next slide. Next slide. I think got other things, right? Oh, no more idea. Only technical team, and the data collector. Yes. Okay. You go back. You go back to just now data collector. You can see. You see like responsibility here is the text a bit too wordy. A lot of words. You can cut short.
Okay.
Spread the survey form to the student from targeted departments of FBA and FS. So no need to all this spread. You just say distribute survey form to FBA and FS. Enough.
Okay.
Enough. So you cut short, then you can make use of the space because now it becomes faculty. Okay, yeah. So I think FBA is a faculty. What is FBA?
FBA is Faculty of Business and Accountancy.
Oh, okay. You see. Now another point here. You put FBA and then FS, but the following one you put FS first, then FBA. You see the sequence?
Yeah. Later I change.
Yeah. So you just interchange FS and FBA.
Okay.
Just say distribute survey forms to students from FS and FBA. So that's why the following one should be in the right sequence. Okay. So another one is if you want to make your slide more interesting, then you can show that faculties, the faculties image, that buildings.
Okay.
So it makes your slide more attractive.
Okay.
Okay, so you cut short a bit. The first line is a bit too long, so you can throw away those unnecessary text. But the presenter just know how to construct just a simple sentence. You just need a keyword. Distribute survey form to student from this enough. So throw away all this. No need target this no need. Okay. Then you say, the faculty, the departments from the FS, the faculty of science are this that's it. Then you at the side here illustrate with the picture of the building of FS and also faculty of business and accountancy. Okay, understand? Next one, data collector, data team. So same thing with the technical one. So just now I didn't pay attention to your slide. Maybe you go back. Team.
Which one?
The technical.
Technical, okay.
Technical. Okay, this one is very short. Develop questionnaire, develop and design. Okay, so this one again you can put some icon to illustrate the responsibility.
Okay.
Another one, do you notice that the Alvin, the text font is smaller than the other team members' name? Not boldface, I think.
Yeah, check.
Yeah, it's not boldface. It's smaller font size, I can see. The Alvin the name is smaller than the others. So the keyword.
20, the font size is 20. Maybe the font type. Oh yeah, the font type are different. Sorry.
Yeah. So the members you should boldface.
Okay.
The word member you boldface. Okay. Just go down very fast. Okay, major. So just now this one you should improve. Just now the major deliverables. Okay, you just follow the extension I gave just now. Okay, this one this one you improve. Okay, next one. Project priority matrix. This one don't put the slash. Use the circle.
Okay. Later I change.
Okay. So I think your one that's it. Come back to let me see other teams. Can I see the TG2, T3 again?
Yes.
Can you show again? Okay, your this one is good, but you do a slideshow first. Okay, do a slideshow. Can you see your WRX202 is okay now? Okay. So you make your name stand out. Okay, another way to improve when you want to present who are your team members. By the way, your metric number you put the new one, then bracket the old one.
Okay.
So other teams also do that because the new number is very difficult for me to trace. The old number is easier for me to trace. Okay. Another way, if you want to, when the team leader come out to introduce all the team members, another way to make it, I think one of the things I noticed they got some the icon of the human face, human head, but all in black, right? Is it not your team? I think another team. I cannot remember which team. Which team have the picture introduced? Yes, it's your team. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay. You see, you put this one is I know you search some icon to represent each of your team members, but can you see that it's very messy look? Can you see or not? Because overlapping with behind the, the design. Yes, it's like very messed up with the background design. Okay, so and then down there is a bit. I know you're good that you change the name to white so that it stands out, but the black text with the background is a bit dark, right? Like for example, the assistant secretary, that one is a bit dark. So probably you can change to yellow color or what. So my another comment is instead of, if you want to introduce this way, instead of you putting all those icon black outline of humans head, the head and the part of the body, why not you capture their actual picture?
Okay.
So each of them, ask them to give you your maybe your passport size, whatever picture that you have. But another way also you can do is because now we cannot physically in the class. I remember there was one team of my student from one course. That team only they have not so many students because your one got about at least 9 to 12, right? So that team only consists of 3 students. So when they presented the team leader introduced their team members, because only 3 of them. The team leader very good. He presented, I still until today remember how he introduced all the 3 members. He took a picture of all the 3 members together. And then they were very close. It shows the teamwork. It's like the friendship is so close that they put their hands on their shoulder each other. They were very cheerful look and very nice picture, well taken picture. Until today I still remember that group. So because now we cannot come together and see each other, so you cannot have all the photo 12 of you all together in one photo. So I don't know, you can be creative, like in the team you call one meeting and then you see all the picture there, you can capture or what, I do not know. So this way the only weakness is the black color outline is not so attractive and then overlap with the background which is dark. So if you want, you can replace with their A4 not A4 passport size of their photo. I think it will look nicer. You understand? Okay.
Yes.
So other teams, you can think of some way to introduce your team members in a very creative way. Yeah, so I think, okay, then just quick go through. So this is a comment for the introduction about your team members. Okay, next one. Let's see. Okay, let me see this one. Roles and responsibility. Okay, so again, you see this one is a bit dark. So it can still replace by the person's picture. And then you see, you put what? Leading the team towards the success. No need. Just put leading the team enough. No need say towards the success. You understand? Cut that one. Leading the team will do it. So no need to give. That's why you can see you got a lot of space at the side, but your text font size is very small. Do you notice this?
Yes.
See, so if you cut short, then you only have keywords leading the team. Okay. The cut short the others, then your text is shorter, then you can make it become bigger. So next, assign jobs and workload equilibrity. No need. Just say assign jobs and workload. Enough. That because this is project manager. That means you continue your sentence, say assign the job and workload to each team member. You understand? Or to all team members. Right? Prioritize the job accordingly. Just say prioritize the jobs. Okay. Next. Ensure no need is don't move first. Ensure the project goes smoothly. No. In this case, you put the word ensure project success.
Yes.
Ensure project. Next one, organize the meeting regularly. Organize meeting. No need regularly. You when you say that time, you say organize meeting regularly. Okay. Next, allocate the project. Just allocate project resources. Okay. So you can cut the off the something like that. Next, if not necessary, if it no need that one, it also makes sense. Okay. Next one. That's why you see the next one, the assistant leader one. I can't see the text so clear now. Assist the project leader in leading the project. Just put assist the project leader.
Okay.
Or assisting project leader. Next one, gives opinion to the project leader on every task. Gives opinion. Okay. Because gives opinion will be part of the assisting the project leader, isn't it?
Yes.
You see, so that's why when you say, this one is assistant leader, who's the name? You just want to in general, is it? Say in general, what's the roles and responsibilities? Okay, say for the assistant leader, this person will be assisting the project leader. So you elaborate with the for example, by giving opinions to help the leaders in decision making. You see, so the second one is you elaborate during when you present that time. When you talk, then you add the sentence, so you can remove the second one.
Okay.
So that means you just say assist project leader, and then when you present, you give the sentence. So that's why you don't put that sentence in the PowerPoint slide, which means the content should be like this. Okay, next, design. Design PowerPoint. Okay, PP, the T should be uppercase.
Okay.
Next one, gives suggestions for the members based on the task. Okay. This one again is like first one is you assisting the project leader by giving suggestion, okay, in decision making. Next, the last one is this one is giving suggestion to the team members to assist them in their work. You see, so it just say give suggestion to team member. Enough.
Okay.
So next one, finalize the final report. Just finalize report.
Okay.
But I think the secretary, the first thing should be organized meeting, right? Your secretary job is organized meeting. What? That means go and call. Okay, when there's a meeting, and then who's supposed to attend? Invite, and what's the time? Give the info. So it cannot be finalized. The project is the first task, or So you should go accordingly. Is the main job of secretary is to organize the meeting, organize project meetings. Okay, keep track. So organize project meeting. Then you have prepare meeting minutes. Instead of keep track of meeting minutes, is prepare meeting minutes. Preparation of official letter and proposal. What is this? Prepare what kind of proposal? What kind of proposal? What kind of letters?
We just put a general job that secretary need to do, because we can think more about the secretary job.
Okay lah. You can put a preparation of official documents.
Okay.
The organized meeting should be the first one. Okay. Next one is the preparation of meeting minutes. Okay. Then you can the preparation of official documents, and then only you can put a finalized project report. Okay now.
Okay.
So basically, there's a guideline how you should do. So if you want to replay, because you can see your diagram of the first one, the project manager and the assistant is basically is the same icon, right?
Yes.
Yeah, secretary is a different icon. Why not you go to Google Images, you look for a picture that is project manager's look.
Okay.
Instead of this black color icon, replace with some, that will become more colorful. Google Images got a lot of people who look like a manager. They can put, say manager, just to put manager, then got a lot of images come up. Then you put secretary, then the look of a secretary. You can put icons that looks like a secretary doing in front of the computer doing some job. Also can, not necessarily a human's picture also can. So you standardize, don't want like some are icons, some are human look. If human look, everything all human look. If all icons are all icons. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, okay, I think your one basically okay. Can I go to see TG2, T2?
Yes, yes. Wait.
Can you show the slide?
All right.
So I already mentioned, this one is good. Go back to something. Content, this is good. Okay, this is good. Content, you show project objective, and then this is for chapter 1. So later you do the same thing for chapter 2 and chapter 1. You put the word chapter 1, chapter 2. Then this one, it will say the content for this presenter. Okay, every presenter they have one slide. Then I know the contents, because the contents carries the highest mark. So before the starting, this person, this is the presenter, is that Muhammad. Okay, so before you start presenting, say these are my contents I'm going to present today. So I know what are the topics. Then I have a judgment that, okay, you're going to present a lot. I think I will give you a lot marks for the contents mark. Understand? So every presenter, before you start your actual one, give me a summary of all these the topics that you're going to present, okay, by you. Then that's for me easy for me to judge the marks for contents. Okay, next one. Show the next slide. Okay. Yeah. So you can see your this left hand side. Your left hand side, that that blue with the white dot. I think that is PowerPoint's template, right? That one is not so nice. So that one remove, because it takes up a lot of space. If you want to leave it there, you can. But you see, your project objective statement is one sentence. It doesn't look so good. So if you change to just now, that TG2, T4, they use the icons and then just the keyword. So you make it very bright, very big. The text font size, project objective, put a bit higher, very big. And then down there, only the three things, the three icons, and then the keywords, okay, the what, and then the date and the amount. So you don't want the whole sentence remove, just put the keywords. Total amount, then what's the amount? Looks like just now what the TG2, T4 presented. Then if you say not enough space, you know what you should do? You box the content you want to present, then cover the blue text and the white dot. Then you can just go stretch until your left side of that template design. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So can you just go through very quickly, see what other weaknesses I need to point out? Basically, this is also okay. Okay, who are the person, and then it's okay. This is fine to me. Okay. Okay, next. This one is a bit lengthy, and then the text you can cut short. So you follow just now I explained, look at the TG2, T5. I think TG2, T5, right, showing TG2, T4 showing the flow first of all the major deliverables. And then you go into detail, then you follow the TG2, T5's style. Right? Okay, next.
Okay.
Next. Okay, this is fine. Okay. So you should make it bigger. Go back just now, the table. Project priority matrix. You should make because you got a lot of space, you can see or not, down there after the box, a lot of empty space. The project priority matrix can move higher, and then the box make it larger, and the heading, cost, performance, time, constraint, enhance, except make it very big, and the dot inside also make it bigger. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
I think that's all. Okay. So any other question from you, that if you want me to check and how to improve your slide? So you learn, I'm telling you the slide to prepare slide for chapter 1, then you can apply the same technique to your chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay. So can I go to see the last team one, the TG2, T1? I just have a look. Let me brief you your weaknesses.
Wait. This one later.
No slide yet.
Yes.
No slide yet.
A little bit.
Okay, slideshow.
Okay.
Slideshow.
Can you see this? The
No.
project objective statement.
Yes. But you can
I
show the
already
not get you show slideshow already, but it's still seeing the not. But my side is still not the slideshow mode. It's okay. Never mind. You scroll down. So okay, your first slide is telling the yes, now it's slideshow. Okay, good. Okay. Next one. So first you introduce your project title. Okay, next. Next.
already. It's
So
quite late.
yeah, the next one you should introduce all your team members first.
Okay.
Yeah, so you remove the 1.1, right? So just now I already mentioned, I know you got one picture there, the cost evaluation, that is good, you can leave it there. So that is for the first one, the what. You can put that one as your what, understand?
Okay.
Put that one as your what, conduct C-test survey. Then next you throw away all the sentences, and then second one is the date, 15 January 2021. And then the date using a calendar to represent. Or, you know, somebody, you can also be creative. You go and get you can go to Google image, and then just find the calendar that shows the page is 15 January 2021. You can add yourself. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Just exactly the date, 15 January also can. No need the picture of a calendar, also can, up to you. So last one is 10,000. You put the Malaysian ringgit, you know, the ringgit icon, and then you put the amount. The rest of the sentence remove. Okay now? Okay, next slide. Let me have a look.
Okay, next slide.
You know how to improve. This one is not good. It's very small size. So 1.2, and then you do the one as other teams they did with the pictures of your team members, very colorful. You want the passport size, or you want whatever, I don't know. Then you have the team, and then the font size is very small. You can see on this slide here, very small, very tiny. Okay, so make full use of the full size of the slide. Okay, next one. Next one is the continuation, right?
It's continuous.
But
project team. It's same.
Yeah, you change the slide design. Okay, next one. Go to 1.3. Remove the 1.2.
Okay.
I
will do it later.
Can you go down to 1.3? It's not moving. Your slide is not moving. Staying at 1.2.
I already changed it.
You change it. Here it's not moving. That's why it's easy. Like when I lecturing, I also don't know. Now only I can see. Okay. This one is good. Okay. But this one is continue already. I think that's why I think maybe you press. It's not. Maybe it's a slow transmission or what. Okay. Never mind. This one again is you see it's good the way you illustrate the flow. Your phase, and then from one phase to another. This one I see already phase 5, phase 6, and phase 7. So you can cut short the text. Because this one, you see, keyword is already major deliverables. So inside the box, no need to put the word major deliverables anymore. You understand? You know, inside your box, you got major deliverables again. Your outside, you can see before your name, Nuru, right? Your up there got major deliverables. If you want to show this is continuation of previous slide, put a space after the S and the open bracket. So don't join this one. Leave a space. So inside your purple box, you got the white text. No need to put the major deliverables again. Just the major deliverables. You understand what I'm saying? Throw away the word major deliverable because your keyword is there, major deliverables. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes? Okay, so like this slide here, major deliverables, the respondents get the questionnaire. Just put respondents receive questionnaire. 120 complete answer questionnaire. That one is okay. Or you can just say actually major deliverables is at the end what you produce. So in fact that one no need to put. The respondent receive or questionnaire no need to put. You should be that phase if it is for. Okay, what happened to your slide now?
Sorry, doctor, we lost connections.
Or disconnected.
Wait. Because she said she's lost connection, so.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you see. So now you realize that sometimes we do not know what is happening to each of us side, right? So some may be receiving, some not receiving. So same thing with my side. You maybe you feel that you're presenting everything very smooth, but my side I'm not seeing the thing. Well, we cannot tell each other until we voice it out. So that's why I say I want you. That's why you prepare all these slides once I have checked all your chapter 1 to 3. You know all the contents all correct already. Then you start preparing using what the technique I'm teaching you now. So after you finish all the slides, you divide all the work. Who are the, let's say the first presentation, I got 3 presenters or 5 or 4. So after you decided, and then who will be presenting the first slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Then who is presenting the next 5 slides or something like that. After you divided the workload and the sequence, who will be first presenter, second, third, and so on. Then you do a recording. You capture, you do a video according to the sequence. You understand? That one is to stand by in case on the day of your presentation, I cannot hear you. Okay, and suddenly something wrong, like just now, you see got the disconnection problem. Then halfway, then it's disconnected. Then you send me that your video file as a standby. That's called risk management. So if halfway I cannot see your presentation, then I can at least give marks based on your video. You understand now?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, so every team leader, please do that. There's like a lot of preparation work for you. So I'm guiding you because we are running out of time, because next week is semester break. So I can't guide you, because after that, the following week, we got the test already. After test, then is your presentation going to start. So that's why I quickly brief you how to do the design. Okay, I'll come back to here. So you see, you have to understand major deliverables means what you deliver at the end of the phase. So actually, you can remove just now that sentence say the respondent received the questionnaire form is not a deliverable. It's there. You see this one. Respondent get the questionnaire. No, it's not a deliverable. This is at the end of your phase 5 is data collection. So the data collection at the end of it is you collected 120 set of complete answer survey form. That's the one that you deliver. You understand? So receiving the questionnaire by the respondent is not your deliverables. Okay? You know how to identify actually which one should be your major deliverables now?
Yes, understood.
So you should remove. So if not, you present it, then after I say, that is not you're going to deliver to me at the end. It's part of the process they receive, and then they answer, and then you get back. So in the end, you get back is the respondent, the answer survey form from the respondent, and not they receive it. Okay, that one is like irrelevant. Okay, now, so any other, okay, I think I got anything you want to show me that I can help you to point out your weaknesses so that it can improve? Any more? Let's go on very quickly to the next slide.
Let's see the next slide.
I cannot, it's not moving. Is it you press already? It's not, maybe it's again connection problem. Okay, but I think basically, I think you've looked through other teams' presentation and then how they show your slide, right? And I commented how it improves. So you learn, that's why I want all the teams to show, yeah, you see. So your project priority is too long. You see, remove the table 1.1, remove the text up there. Okay, so the explanation of all this you remove. When you present, you say it out. Your this diagram is remove the down there. It got 2 table 1.1 shows the project. Remove that sentence. Remove the table 1.1 down there. Priority matrix. Remove. In the project report, I mentioned that table number, table label is on top of table. Only figure number, figure label below the figure. Okay. So like in this case, you put like that is also incorrect. If you want to put like table 1.1 project priority matrix, you should not put underneath table. It should be put on top if it is okay to put. But I tell you to remove both. So the project priority, all this explanation up there, remove. Only this table, only the keyword project priority matrix with the table only. And then the presenter should be able to explain the meaning each of this. Okay, understand?
Yes, understood.
Okay, good. So any question for any team members? I have to go on to the next team already. Any more? No more, So basically, so basically take note that make sure that the respondent who answer already cannot answer again the same survey form. So you need to keep track of that, and then send out my suggestion is through your friends so that it's easier for you to get the respondents feedback quickly. And also go and download the SPSS file from the lecture, the files there. You go to lecture general, that side, the post, beside the post got the files. You go and check, got SPSS file. You download everyone, because later you're going to use SPSS to do data analysis. You download, and then if you do not know, the fastest way is to go and watch one YouTube. Learn how to use SPSS. That will be very fast for you to pick up SPSS first. just have an idea, okay? Because that one will teach you coding, everything, okay? Right, so after that, I can go through with you again. So any questions so far? I think basically these are the things you need to take note. Any question before I go for my next tutorial class? There's a question from Wei Hao. Since the coloring are very subjective, what if some people like it and some people don't? Okay, my guideline is just very simple. When your background is bright, the foreground text must be dark. Just interchange. If background is dark, foreground must be bright. Just use that technique, okay? Generally speaking, brighter color is preferable than darker color because they can be depressing. This is what they taught me in Asahi NUR. See? So that's why if a person is very happy person, you will use bright color. If the person is depressed or very sad, in a not a happy mode, usually the color is very dark. So that's the implication, okay? So I think Muhammad Ifan, you learned this before, all right? Okay. Any other questions? This is what I checked from the chat here. No more. If can I stop here? I move on to tutorial group 3 now. Is that okay? Okay, so I see you after semester break. Next week is semester break. But if you any question, you just can send me an email. So if you have sent me some chapter I have not responded to you, send me a reminder. Okay, right? No question, then I have to leave. I go on to my next tutorial group. Okay, so I'll see you after semester break. So next week, don't log in now because it's a semester break. Okay, so bye-bye. I see you next after semester break.
Thank you, Doctor.
Good, Doctor.
You know,
Thank you, Doctor.